Hello designer! Today I will share with you a true secret. This one technique will help you transcend to another level, and it has nothing to do with design itself. These non-design techniques is what helps you get from being a designer into being a truly free human being. Because we can travel the world, work from tropical beaches and have a ton of fun. But for that to happen, we need to open our minds to some things, and this is going to be one of them. I'm gonna show you a TRE or tension releasing exercise that's amazing for your mind and for relaxing the deep muscles in your body, ones that you can't normally stretch. The odd thing is that the feeling you'll get from this is similar to a very light 20-minute long orgasm. It feels warm and good. First watch the video, then try to do it on your own for at least 20 minutes. You start on your back. Best to do it on a carpet or on a yoga mat, but you can also do it in bed. Or you can do it on a tropical beach like I just did. While on your back, connect the bottoms of your feet together. Your legs should be spread wide as you can. In my case, I'm not super stretched, so it's about here. Now the whole idea here is to think of your legs as radio dials. You need to tune your knees to your very own internal frequency of that day. You do it by very slowly moving your knees towards each other. By slowly, I really mean the movement should be barely noticeable. Once you feel an involuntary shake of your legs, stop in that position and try to relax as many muscles as you can without the legs getting out of position. Especially your lower back and pelvis area should be as relaxed as possible. You need to allow that vibration to go through in every direction. In some cases, it can even reach your head. Find the spot in which your legs vibrate involuntarily the most and just keep it there. Relaxed. Close your eyes and try to breathe slowly, consciously. Focus on your breath and being in the moment. You don't have to full-on meditate for this effect, but it helps a little. Once the vibration stops or slows down, you can then move the legs closer together or further apart again to find the next frequency, and sometimes the new one will be in the place where nothing happened before. After a few minutes of shaking, you can also place your feet on the ground. That's a little bit more comfortable. Once your shaking is going, you can experiment with extending your legs forward a little or bringing them back. Just remember to only use small, slow movements, so the vibration doesn't stop. It usually takes me 10 minutes of focus to start feeling really good mentally and physically, and I do it for another 10 minutes just to be in that happy place. This works great for your mind and for your body, and the best part, it's free. Try it and let me know what happened. Write a comment. Keep in mind the first few times can be a little lighter as you're tuning yourself and adjusting, but this is really magical. Remember, open mind. This channel is about having an open mind and a designer approach to your life, not just to your projects. And if you like it, subscribe, but most importantly, have a beautiful day. Cheers.